I'm always very happy when a whole roast chook is on the menu, but when there's stuffing involved, well, even better. And I want to share with you my absolute go-to recipe for stuffing. So what I've done here is just fried off some onions. So 1 onion and some sage. Sage and chicken are just best friends and fantastic in a stuffing just like this. To this, I'm going to add some sausage meat. Now, the reason I add sausage meat is because it's going to keep it super moist as it cooks. It also acts as a glue to bind everything together. So that's 1 pork sausage. You can change that up. You could use beef sausage as long as it's quite fatty. A couple of handfuls of fresh breadcrumbs. So this is just sourdough bread that's 2 or 3 days old, and then I've just blended it in a food processor. I love some sweetness in my stuffing, so some apple, and we're just going to grate the apple. I've got a Granny Smith here. Okay, that can go in. To make this taste extra festive, the zest of 1 orange, and I love the addition of some nutmeg, clove or 5 spice also works a treat. Now I want to give this some extra depth of flavour and also some crunch. I'm going to get that from these stunning maple and sea salt nuts. This is a combination of almonds, macadamia nuts, there's pistachios and pecans, so a really lovely mix. Of course, delicious as a snack as is, but it's really great as an ingredient for stuffings just like this. So I like to just grab a knife and just run your knife through it a few times. It smells fantastic because they've already been roasted. If you're a nut lover just like I am, this is the perfect mix for you. All right, we'll add that to our bowl. And this needs to be seasoned, so a pinch of salt and some freshly cracked pepper. Okay, now we're going to give this a really good mix, breaking up all of that sausage. I like to also get my hands in there and just mash everything together just like this. So I have a lovely chicken here that I've been just drying in the fridge. I'm going to stuff it, tie the legs up, and then it roasts in the oven. And because the chicken is stuffed, it needs a little longer in the oven, so this will take about 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. Is there a better smell than roast chook straight out of the oven? And you can see that lovely stuffing. I love how it's caramelised, and in the centre it's going to be soft and fluffy. This is my go-to stuffing, and be sure to allow that chicken to rest at least for 20 minutes before carving.